How to manage explore settings on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage explore settings on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and then go down and click this one, settings and privacy, and now you need to find this one, privacy and safety. Click on it and then you will see this one, content you see. Click on it and then click here, explore settings, and turn this one off, and you can turn it on again or turn this one off and manage anything you want. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.